So let us start, student, with our teaching of lesson number 4, operations on fractions. In this lesson, first page is in front of you, student, on the screen. They shown exactly part of that things. Equal dividation of any thing is called as a fraction. Suppose there are 6 apples and we want to distribute them between 2 students, one girl, one boy. How many apples will be given to each one? So what will be our answer? Since number is small, 6, we can easily make it half. That is 3 apple to girl, 3 apple to boy, because children are 2. But by mathematics, the example is solved by division method. This is called as a 6 divided by 2. That is, answer come 3. So each child will get 3 apples. Suppose, student, here one only apple is there. Only one apple is there, and that apple you want to distribute amongst 2 students. Then what you will do for that? This apple we want to give for 2 members. So first we divide this or cut it with the help of cutter or knife. Will make exactly 2 parts of that apple, part number 1 and part number 2. So how many parts are there, student? Total 2 parts. So total parts, fraction form, when we write in a practical life, we'll say we'll give half apple to each child. Half for boy, half for girl, because only one apple is there. But in mathematics, we want to write this in a fraction, and that is called as a numerator upon denominator form. Here, its form is called as a numerator upon or divided by denominator. So what is mean by this numerator? What is mean by this denominator? This total form is n upon d is called as a fraction. In this numerator and denominator means total part, how many we made. How many total parts, student? 1 and 1. Total 2 parts. So denominator will come our total part, that is 2. And children's, to the first child it will be half, to the second child, or total apple how many? Student 2, total apple 1. So this way also is this. This is called as a fraction form, 1 upon 2. One more very simple example I will give you, student, for this fraction part. Actually we are learning today what is mean by fraction. Then we start operations on that. At home level, we are looking our mothers. She is making chapati for us. Is it, student? Maybe sometime you also helping. With the help of wheat flour, she make a dough of that flour. पिठाचा गोळा करते मम्मी, गव्हाच्या पिठाचा, चपाती बनवण्यासाठी. And generally, I hope your mother is preparing a circular shaped chapati. Is it circular? You check now, huh? Okay, suppose this is, just joking, student, your mommy is very expert in making chapatis, okay, then you. So suppose this is a round shaped chapati prepared by mother, and number of chapatis she is preparing for us. So when she is serving, student, to you this chapati, one method is there in lot of houses. At least in my house the method is, when we are serving to the member of family in dish, we are making 4 parts of this chapati. Exactly half. That is not with any machine, with hand only. Exactly 4 parts. And one chapati get breaks into total 4 parts. This one portion we called in Marathi 1/4 part. It is a 1/4 part. This 1/4 part in Marathi we are calling as a chatkor. Then if one more added into that, this become half up, half down, or half right, half left. Half means ardhi chapati. If we serve 3 parts, that become pound, 1/3 part, and 3/4 part. And the last, if we serve whole chapati 4 parts to the person in dish, we called as a complete chapati. One chapati we are giving, but if we are breaking that chapati, that becomes into 4 parts. Suppose I want to write the fraction for this colored or dash region, I have to write in form numerator upon denominator. As I told, denominator means total part in chapati. How many total parts, student? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will be downside. You remember always D for denominator and denominator is down. D for denominator and denominator is always down. So this denominator, total part of that chapati I wrote, and colored part, how many here? 1. So here numerator will be here 1. So this part is read as a 1/4 part. 1/4 part of 1/4 in the fraction form of that chapati. Suppose I am using this 2 part, half chapati. Paneer vegetable is there, so your favorite dish, and you finish first chapati and this is your second half, for example. That is favorite dish, more required, more chapati. Yes. So the second fraction we write in numerator upon denominator form. Again same procedure. Total part down, that is 4 as a down as a denominator. This 1, 2 parts, so write 2 up. Now this 2/4 part, we can reduce this fraction. Reduction of fraction means we use division method. See students, simple, so I am explaining here only that example. 2 and 4 are available in whose table? Yes, for this lesson you should best in a table also. Okay, at least 2 to 10. So divide 2. If we are dividing by 2 upside, the rule is you should divide it by 2 only downside. ज्या नंबरने आपण वरती न्यूमरेटरला भाग देणार, डिवाइड करणार, त्याच सेम नंबरने डिनॉमिनेटरला आपण डिवाइड करायचं. अंडरस्टँड स्टुडंट? You have to divide up and down with the same number. Now you will do the division maybe on rough page or here only 2 divided by 2 ones are 2. So division answer will be here as a 1 and denominator 2 2s are 4. So division answer of this 2. Those not understand, go on rough page and do this. 4 divided by 2 2s are 4. So your answer, this answer you have to write here as a denominator. Understand this answer from where come? It is your rough work. You do on rough page. 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. 4 divided by 2, answer is 2. So I wrote the fraction. This line is important as student. Lot of students are not giving this line. So please habit to give, even though in notebook line is there, you highlight again it with the pen. Okay. So the fraction will be 1/2. If you take third part also chapati in your dish, the fraction become total part again down and upside 1, 2, 3 portion. So this is 4th part, 4/4, total 4 and all you took, then it become 4/4, cut same number, answer is 1. That is one whole chapati. you will get 1 whole chapati. You will get half, 1/2. Fraction form, these are the fraction form. Generally fraction forms come big number down and small number up. Big number down and small number up. If this is not a fact, then these are all factors of fractions are here proper fraction. Proper fraction means small number up and big number down. If this sequence is not there, that is called as a improper fraction. That is called as a improper fraction. Then that we have to complete with the division. Understand what is meant by fraction. Now our actual teaching of this is just introduction, student, what is meant by fraction. I hope from chapati example and apple example you understand at least what is meant by fraction, how to write, how to indicate. Okay, so next video will start with our 1 by 1 part from textbook to teach in a proper way. So be ready in your notebook, students. Give nice heading of fraction lesson, and you can write this example which I shown in notebook in your notebook. Also write this 5 times spelling of numerator and 5 times spelling of denominator for your practice. Numerator spelling and denominator spelling. Please learn this spelling, students. This is your homework today. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye, students.